Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in Publisher 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture in Publisher. Firstly, go to the Insert menu. Then click the Picture option. Then choose Picture from our file. Now we select this picture and click Insert. Now we can see we insert a picture in this Publisher document very easily. You can resize the picture or apply another style, color, anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.